Hello, my name is Dave Duewel. I am a senior designer at Degnan Design-Build-Remodel and proud to be an area remodeler. Since I was a kid, I always knew that I wanted a career in architecture. On his business trips overseas, my dad would purchase Christmas and birthday gifts, which allowed me to build anything from a toy skyscraper to a model home, giving me the passion for design. Hours of my childhood were spent using these model buildings to create and recreate subdivisions and villages in my mom's vegetable garden, unfortunately leaving little room for her plants. After graduating from college, I began my career in commercial architecture, working on projects that range anywhere from small banks to large truck stops, schools, and water parks. The problem was I did not feel the connection with the clients. Dealing with large corporations seemed to lack the personal relationship and connection I desired. I eventually switched to residential architecture, specializing in high-end custom homes and remodeling. This is a place that made me feel at home. As time progressed, I found that taking an existing space and making it a place that a family could flourish and call home was where I needed to be. Remodeling was my passion and has been ever since. I love the connection that I have with the homeowners and the challenge of altering a space that is showing its age and creating something that works for today's modern times and lifestyle. I've enjoyed sharing my story with you. Once again, I'm Dave Duewel, and this is my career in remodeling. Thank you.